Everybody knows Shiba Inu, right? 2021, Shiba Inu made a lot of millionaires. And did you also know that Shiba Inu has official partners? They are still here, they're still building. I want to talk about an official partner of Shiba Inu. But before I tell you more, guys, welcome to the Crypto June channel. We talk about crypto every day. We recently reached 5,000 subscribers. So if you're new here, I will appreciate a like and a subscribe to let you stay up to date about markets, new projects, and of course, the whole crypto market in general. So if you want to stay up to date, like and subscribe, and let's talk about the official partner K9Finance. So I want to start with the website. What is K9Finance? After that, I want to talk about the Whitepaper. I want to give you more insight of how does the liquid staking works. And also after that, we're going to talk about the Twitter page and the price. In the Twitter page, we can see, hey, what is ongoing with the project? And also we can see, are there any upcoming developments? And I want to tell you, is it a good buy opportunity right now or not? Or do we need to wait? We're gonna find out in this video. So if you want to know that, you need to watch. So let's start with the website. We can see official Shiba partner, official liquid staking of SHIB, Teams Layer 2 Shibarium. And I think a lot of watchers right now are thinking, what the hell is official liquid staking? So as an example, right now you have Ethereum staking. And Ethereum staking means that you can stake your Ethereum, get a nice return on it to stake your tokens. But now your tokens are locked in a contract and you cannot use these funds. And K9Finance wants to make it possible that you can stake your tokens and now you get liquid tokens back. And these are backed one-on-one and have the same value as your original tokens. So you can still use them as a collateral, or you can still trade them, you can still use them with the same value, but now you earn money with it as a return on your staking rewards. This is the contract address. It is live already. And you can click on buy Uniswap, but also the contract address is inside the description. So if you want to know or you want to buy, you can check it out there. So what we see here, the pound, staking and yield generation. I just explained it already. K9 DAO AI. These guys are not only a project by the founders, they are also running a DAO. And a DAO means that people with tokens have the right to vote and make decisions. More about that later on. And also we can see governance, DAO governance, voting, treasury management, and chant yield and optimization. And this means that, like I said, people can vote as a group. So everybody has the same rights depending on the amount of tokens you have. You can vote. There's a treasury management. So there is a treasury and money. And the goal is to make this treasury fat as F. And they want to grow it together because how more money in the treasury, how bigger the project, how more benefits for everybody. So everybody can vote on this kind of things. And we can see introducing K9 token, where loyalty means liquidity, unleash your investment liquidity is now live. Official partners. I want to talk about official partners too, because these guys have some nice partners on board. As we can see, SHIB is a partner. Sorry guys. So SHIB is a partner. We can also see Shibarium, the layer 2 of Shiba Inu, Shiba Swap. But now I'm talking about the big guys. The big guys who has some big names in the space. Ape Terminal. They did their public sale on the Ape Terminal website. And we can see K9Finance. Launch price was 0.001 and the total amount raised was 100,000. And people can get access to this pre-sale by having a lottery ticket on this launchpad. So it was accessible for everybody and 40,000 participants. 40,000. It's insane. It's a nice amount of people joining this pre-sale. And I want to talk about this price later on. So keep in mind 0.0001, but I will show you it later on. Let's get back to the website. Ape Terminal, big launchpad. So it's nice that these guys having their launchpad, the public sale also there. We can also see Alphabet, Solidity Finance, and Unicorn Ventures, Sky Garden Capital, Fishing Capital. Like these guys invest the money, the big money in the project so the project can build long term. So it's nice to see that not just a launchpad or another project is partnered. No, also capital groups are partnering up with this project to see it succeed long term. Media partners, it's about media partners. We're writing about this project for long-term support. And of course, they also believe in the project as seen on. I think we talked about it already. But these guys are also having an interesting list of contributors, but also advisors. And we can see Buzz, also the dev of Shiba Inu, Mario Noval, Lucy, a huge supporter of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and a lot of more names. It's nice to see that so many different kind of people believing in this project. What else can we see? Snapshot voting. So yeah, to get back about the DAO, snapshot voting. I think for somebody it's confusing and they think, hey, how does this work? So I will explain it to you. We can see on the right side, reduce K9 token taxes. So there is a proposal from the community. It says, hey, we want to reduce the taxes. Maybe some people say yes. Maybe some people say no. Of course, it's always two sides. Now, there is a possibility to vote on this answer. And when somebody has the most votes, or an answer has the most votes, they will do this. So if the majority of the people say, hey, we need to reduce the taxes, and then this will happen because it's a DAO. They can vote on how it's going. Also, ideas or treasury management, how it will be used, can be voted on so you can grow together. K9Finance on Ape Terminal, we talked about it. So what is the roadmap of this project? Let's highlight the most important stuff. In Q1, we saw branding, social setup, pre-sale. It's already done and it's very common. Architecture designs, audits, testnet deployment, and bug bounties completed. We are now seeing K9Finance staking, so you can stake already and use the platform. We can see the Shiba Inu bridge, integration, and also K9Finance launch. It's done. So the roadmap is done. Platform is live. They have backers. It's nice to see that. Real yield from Shiba Inu network. K9Finance is built. No. So this was the website. It's beautiful. A lot of information. To get back about the staking and how you stake what you get back of liquid tokens, I want to take in front of me the light paper. And in this light paper, I saw that was something important to show to you to more understand what is going on. So unlike traditional bone staking, where you stake your normal bone tokens, where users cannot access the bone, they have delegated to Shiba Inu validator. So I stake my bone and I get nothing back. I only get rewards. And when I unstake, I get my tokens back. But in the meantime, I don't have any dollar value in my normal wallet. And this is where the liquid tokens comes in. Back at one-on-one with bone, the K9 bone is freely transferable. So if I deposit 1000 bone, I get 1000 K9 bone back to my wallet. And with this, I can use it on DeFi platforms for leverage collateral, lending, farming, or any other things you want to do. But yeah, it's nice that you have liquid tokens backed by the one-on-one original version. So it's a long list of paper. So if you're curious about this, I will put a link inside the description if you want to read it, read more about the project in your own time. I want to only cover the most important stuff of the project so you can make a decision. Hey, do you want to buy this project long term or not? I now want to talk about the Twitter page. So to see, hey, what is going on with the project? And after that, we're gonna talk about the chart of K9Finance and see, do we want to buy during this moment of the market when the market is giving us a nice opportunity for long-term projects? And to be honest, guys, before I tell you more about the Twitter and the price, I want to talk about Shiba Inu first. We can see Shiba Inu trading for $10 billion market cap. Insane, 10 billions. The top of the market in 2021 was 40 billion. They had a huge run. Oh yeah, look, market cap was 2 billion and before even smaller. And then it was like 40 billion out of nowhere. They have the name in the space. They're listed on Binance and stuff like that. And they have a huge community. They have a huge community, but also a huge active community who is really there with the project and still believing in Shiba Inu. I think they're doing quite well. Of course, we see a price decrease from the top, but we see since the beginning of this year, we saw that the market cap was 5 million, currently sitting at the 10 million and the top 20 million. Of course, all projects have a pullback currently, and I think altcoin season still needs to start. I don't see Shiba Inu really as a meme coin because they are a whole ecosystem with different kind of tokens and also layer 2. So they outgrow the meme coin space where, yeah, like the smaller Solana meme coin season of last month. But I think when altcoins go very well, I think Shiba Inu can do very well. And when Shiba Inu goes very well, we will see K9Finance also flying properly. And I also think this because people from 2021 who were not in this space anymore right now because they left the space, they make losses, which token they're gonna buy? The guys who are active since 2021 until now, they will buy new projects. But the majority of people who are like the newbies, they will buy projects they know, they are familiar with, so they will buy Solana, Ethereum, probably also Shiba Inu because they know Shiba Inu from the last run. So this is one of the things I keep in mind. When the majority of the people come, Shiba Inu will probably also fly because people recognize this token. Back to the Twitter page of K9Finance and talk about that. So we see the token is live. Media roundup. They also post articles about the whole Shiba ecosystem to highlight the most important news updates. Happy 13th of July. They are very active on Twitter, we can see. They have a listing on Chewy Shop upcoming. Actively hosting also AMAs with their DAO. Stay engaged with the community. Investigation. DAO voting is live. So lately, they have a nice voting here. There are 2 proposals on the snapshot left for K9 vote on. Ethereum Toronto hackathon bounty to encourage developers to build on Shibarium. Tax adjustment after a bridge to Shibarium to support Shibarium net. So you can now vote officially on these kind of things. And with a group of people, you are leading this project together with everybody. So I think we should talk about the price. Is K9Finance still a good buy opportunity or not? Like, to be honest, when I see a chart like this, it doesn't look good in the beginning. But I have to say how and what happened inside this chart. We can see that the price was and is still above the pre-sale price. So what happened here was they launched the project. A lot of people who doesn't has access to the pre-sale are buying as mad apes here. That's probably why the name of Ape Terminal, because they have a lot of apes there. But we see that they are buying, and the project did around, how much is it? Like a 70 or 30x or something, because if it's a 1 here, on here, it's a 10x. So they did a 35x on launch. And what happens? The people who bought here or in the pre-sale are taking profits. So the first people are taking profits. And the guys who bought here starting to panic. They're thinking, oh my god, I need to sell my tokens before I lose more. And so on, so on, so on. And this is exactly what happens. People start panicking, the market gets worse. And now, yeah, of course, we are bottoming out. We can see that the chart is going parabolic in the other way. And these are the moments that the most gains will be made. The market cap is only 4 million with a nice liquidity pool. So I think when Shiba Inu pops off, this is a project to hold. Like 40 million is a 10x from here. Even if you do a $100, like I invest personally way more, but even if you do a small amount of $100, I think it's very reasonable to reach a 10x if Shiba Inu pops off. So we don't have to risk a lot of money to make a lot of gains here. So that's one of the reasons I'm buying myself in right now. Normally I will say I will wait for a dip, but currently we are bottoming out. We can see that the price is not going lower anymore, and it makes no sense for people who bought here to sell anymore. They will hold their tokens. So I'm investing myself $1,000 into this project because I will hold it until the real altcoin season will start. And to give you one more thing as a bonus, a lot of people are asking me, when will the altcoin season start? I'm gonna explain you exactly when it will happen. But before I tell you this bonus, I want to say one more time, guys, subscribe to the Crypto June channel. Stay up to date about projects, hidden gems. We made a lot of money on the channel, so like and subscribe to stay up to date about this. So when is the altcoin season happening? We can see it here, right? So in 2021, this was the moment that we saw an altcoin season, when the Bitcoin dominance is dropping hard. And to get there, we see a need to see the Bitcoin dominance growing higher and higher. And then after that, we see it going downwards. That is the moment when the altcoin season will start. So I just added the Bitcoin dominance chart, but also I added the total market cap excluding the top 10. So this chart shows us the total market cap of all other coins, excluding the top 10 tokens of coin market cap. So no Bitcoin, no Ethereum, no stuff like altcoins and low caps. And as you can see, the total market cap of the altcoins market is going parabolic from this moment. And this is exactly the moment when the Bitcoin dominance was going down. We saw it here, and we saw the same exactly in 2017. We see it here, 2017. Altcoins are going parabolic, Bitcoin dominance is going down. So I'm gonna remove the Bitcoin chart, the altcoin market cap chart. I want to see the Bitcoin dominance. And as you can see, to reach this, we need to get to a certain level of Bitcoin dominance. It was here, it was at 67%. Here it was 73%. We are on our way. And I think it will be lower this time because there are more altcoins in the market. So I think it'll be probably around this area, 62% or 50, or this one. Altcoin season will come, but the Bitcoin dominance needs to be higher first. So I am buying a lot of altcoins right now and prepare myself for the biggest run and maybe the latest run of all time. So guys, is it a good buying opportunity right now or not? I'm thinking yes, because the risk reward is currently very high. The risk is low and the reward can be high. So that's one of the reasons I'm investing myself in K9Finance. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something about the project and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.